thunderstorm warning for central Massachusetts County, Illinois, central Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. At 10:32 p.m.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect winds 35 miles. Sighting and trees. Locations impacted include La Center, Lone Oak, Barclay Regional Airport, Metropolis, Paducah, West
Paducah, Brookport, Barlow, Kendall. This includes the following: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 12. Locations impacted include
between mile markers 34 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
11:15 p.m. for the following counties: Massac, Illinois, and the following counties between mile markers 1 and McCracken. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 34 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties: Massac, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and McCracken.